Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 279. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings or on your mobile settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, VPN, and make sure VPN is not connected. So sometimes when VPN is connected, you will get this error here. Then what you need to do here is to open up your browser, go to statusroblox.com and look if the servers are not down. If you see red here, probably servers are down, and then you just need to wait until the servers are fixed. Usually it's around 1 hour and servers will be fixed. Next up, what you need to do here is press on search and look view network connections. Then click your internet, right click on it, go to properties, internet protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Then open up CMD, right click, run as admin, and here write IP config // flush DNS. Another command is -winsock reset. Restart your computer, look if the problem persists after that. If the problem persists, then what is just to do here is to look for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, right click on it again, open file location. Then you should see Roblox player beta.exe. Copy the path first, because we'll need that later. Then right click on exe, Roblox beta.exe, go to properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Then what you need to do here is to go and look for Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall. Then press allow another app, browse, paste the path that we just copied, and add Roblox player beta.exe and add it here. And then make sure it's on private and public and press OK and look if the problem persists after that. If it's still not working, then go on search, go to installed apps, look for Roblox here, Roblox player PC, and then you just need to uninstall Roblox from your computer. So wait until Roblox is uninstalled. Then you need to go to roblox.com/download, download for Windows or other, and reinstall Roblox. Once it's downloaded, here, you just need to reinstall it. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now Roblox should open up, and then, for example, if I go to some sort of experience, we can see that Roblox should work. As you can see here, it's working. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.